Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi tire. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface, away from any moving traffic. Gather all necessary tools, including your spare tire, jack, and lug wrench. Remember to engage the parking brake and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground for added safety and stability. With your car secure, use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise, but do not remove them yet. Next, find the designated jacking point on your Audi's frame, usually near the flat tire. Position the jack firmly and slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. Now, you can fully remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel hub. Place the flat tire aside. Take your spare tire and align its bolt holes with the wheel studs on your Audi. Push the spare tire firmly onto the hub, then hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the studs. Gently lower your Audi until the spare tire is resting on the ground, but the full weight is not yet on it. Now, use the lug wrench to fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern, ensuring even pressure. Lower the car completely and remove the jack. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, store your flat tire and all tools safely in your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.